It's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. As I started thinking on this 3D effect for these banners, you could actually use the blend tool. And that looks pretty cool. And I think that would actually engrave, and you could do it with different colors. But to use the blend tool, you can't just take a shape. So we're going to take that shape and we're going to take that shape. It doesn't really matter. It doesn't have to fit the whole thing. And then we're going to take this one and make it black, but we're going to take away the outline. We're going to take this one and make it a light gray and take away the outline by right-clicking. We're going to grab those two shapes. We're going to go to Effects, Blend, the blend docker open. We want to blend it like 200 times so we won't have any lines. Then I'm going to move that out of the way. I nudged it out of the way. On something like this, you have to make a well for that to go in, so we're going to use the Smart Fill. Nudge it out of the way. We're going to left click, right click. Now we're going to select our item, the entirety. Go up to Arrange, Power Clip, Place Inside Frame. And I don't think that one looks as good as the one I did originally, so let's back up here. That's the magic of Corel. You can back up. We got too much black. I was thinking I had to make it the same size, but we don't, to cover up those arrows. Go up to Effects, Blend 200 times, and that way it gets away of any lines. Nudge that out of the way. Get our Smart Fill tool again, fill that in, nudge that out of the way. Left click, right click. We're going to use that as the container. Grab our new blend, go to Arrange, Power Clip, Place Inside Frame, and then nudge it over. And there you have it. Now if you wanted them both equal, you could do what we did before, Control D and make a duplicate and mirror it. And then holding down the control button, you can move it into that spot. And there you have it equally. And then you could play around with these other areas, making them a light gray or something. But that does look like it's kind of a 3D effect. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.